Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to SAP Chats podcast, where we make corporate discussions fun and engaging. Today, we are live from the beautiful SAP Milano office in Italy with the very inspiring person, Francesca Solazzi, from our SAP Gold partner, CLAREX, multiple award winning from customer success to fastest growing partner of the year. But what's so interesting today is Francesca's career path. Francesca was born a Java developer. Then she became an ABAPer. ABAP was the initial language to develop the SAP ERP. ABAP is still here today, but we speak about ABAP in the cloud. And after that, Francesca jumped into the functional side, the business side, leading a functional team. And today, Francesca is the sales manager. Wow! So it's a real shift in her career. Congratulations. And Francesca, benvenuta a SAP Chats.
Grazie. It's a pleasure for me to be with you.
So, Francesca, first things first, introductions. I have made your professional introduction, right?
Yeah.
Now, I want you to introduce yourself, but from personal perspective. Who is Francesca outside of the SAP ecosystem?
Okay. I'm Francesca. I'm an engineer. I'm married to an engineer. We are parents of two. And I won't reveal my age, but I feel like 20 years old because I'm an enthusiastic person in my life and in my work.
Forever young.
Yeah, forever young. I love reading. I love working in countryside where I live, and I enjoy sport teams. I played volleyball for many years. I played tennis, and now I'm obsessed with CrossFit.
CrossFit, wow,
yeah.
Excellent. So you love challenges, right?
Yeah. I love challenges. I love competition.
Awesome. Competition outside SAP world and within the SAP world, right?
Everywhere.
Great. So, Francesca, I usually run what I call the SAP Chats Quiz. Okay.
Yes,
it's a series of 5 questions,
okay.
5 tricky questions.
Okay.
Some are personal, some professional.
Okay.
But there is a rule. So the rule is that you can only answer with one word, one single word, or one expression.
Okay. It's difficult for me because I like to speak a lot.
Let's give it a try. But the good news, at the end of the quiz, you can come back to one question of your choice, and then you can speak a lot. Okay? Ready?
Okay. Yes, I mean.
Excellent. So we are at the end of July, summertime, Wednesday morning, right?
Yeah.
So, Francesca, if we were not recording this podcast today, where I would probably find you now?
Customer
meeting,
yeah.
Okay, no surprise. So, from 0 to 10, how would you rate CLAREX level of AI adoption and knowledge?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Good one. All right. What's the core value of CLAREX?
People.
How would you position SAP Business AI to a customer or prospects?
Improve the life.
Improve life. Excellent. I accept it. It's an expression.
An expression.
Life improving.
Yeah.
Excellent. So you say that the core value of CLAREX is people, right?
Yeah.
So here's the tricky one for you. Imagine we are Friday evening, 6:30 or 7:30. You just want to close your laptop and go back to personal and family life, right?
Okay.
And you get 2 urgent requests.
Okay.
One from one of your top customers and one from one of your team members or colleagues. Okay. But you can only handle one. The next one will be handled on Monday because you are invited somewhere, right?
Okay.
Which one would you handle first?
Team member.
Team member. Okay, people first. Excellent.
People first.
I love it.
People
okay, great. So now, would you like to go back to one of the questions and elaborate?
Okay.
Let me remind them to you first, okay?
Yeah.
The first one was, if we were not recording, You said you will be in a customer meeting. Second one, how would you rate CLAREX for AI? You said 10. The core value, people, and positioning business AI to a customer, you said life improving, right? And the last one, you have preferred to help a colleague and let a customer wait till Monday, but you're gonna handle what, I know. So which one you would like to?
Okay. It's not so simple because I would like to speak about how CLAREX take care of people, but I can think we can speak about AI and how CLAREX position AI on the customer. I would like to speak about business AI because CLAREX worked on AI for many years with a team of 10 people dedicated to this topic. First of all, I would like to specify what is artificial intelligence, AI, because there are different types of artificial intelligence.
True.
There is the more traditional artificial intelligence, like that includes machine learning and visual inspection. And now we are put on generative AI. Generative AI is the boost of the moment because it's changing the world. We think it's changing the world. I think that generative AI will be in our office everywhere in the next few years. I think it is like the revolution of electricity because the generative AI can replace the manual activity of people and can manage knowledge of people and replace the manual task with a low added value. And so we think this is the moment of generative AI, and CLAREX is in it.
Excellent. Great summary about generative AI. I think we're going to speak about AI later.
Okay.
But now let's go to the people section. So people are the ones who invented the technology and the AI, right?
Yeah.
I've been to the SAP Partner Finder. So it's a web portal, the official one where we find partners we are looking for. And I went to your page and I've seen that CLAREX has 3 SAP competencies. One for the public cloud, one for the private cloud, and the other one for business technology platform, BTP. Yeah. Well, I know these are requirements for a partner to maintain certain levels and so on. But from your point of view, what do these competencies mean for you, CLAREX, and maybe for your customers?
Okay. Yes, we are formally 3 competencies because we can run a project with the public cloud, private cloud on BTP, but in the real life we can cover all the business suite and every line of business of SAP. CLAREX can count on a team of 250 consultants, and our consultants is specialized in all the line of business of SAP, from sales cloud to digital manufacturing and so on. We are sure that studying and remain up to date with the SAP release as very important key for our future and for our customer. So we spent a lot of time in training, and we have a training manager that which is responsible to build a certification and training path for our consultant. And also we have a specific team named Booster Team in our R&D section, and our Booster Team can join the annual TechEd with SAP. This year we are booked for Berlin.
Nice.
And this year we are hosted in Italy as SAP Gem with SAP Developer Advocate. And we hosted a session with the SAP Advocate for training with the latest technologies in development.
Excellent. So it's impressive how you are really well structured to keep your people up to date with technology.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
It's good for your customers as well, for sure. Yes.
Yeah.
So now industries and business section a bit. I know that you have a deep expertise in the steel industry, right?
Yeah.
Steel manufacturing, I would say, right?
Yeah. Yes, our competencies is more concentrated in manufacturing in general, but we have a deeper knowledge of steel sector, and we can follow also machinery and large distribution. But steel and manufacturing is are the main competencies for us.
Okay, so speaking about the steel, Made in Steel 2025.
Yeah.
It's a conference in Italy,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And I've seen you were participating there,
Yeah.
right?
It's
Can you tell us, first of all, about this event, briefly? What is it about?
Okay, it's important Italian event for the steel and the metal sector. We are the SAP partner participating in this event, and for us it's not just a professional event, but because we are in the sector from many years, we can meet friends. And it's like a party because we are friends with customer and with competitors, and we can make network with the stakeholder.
Interesting. So that you are playing a strategic role in this conference, right?
Yeah.
Have you noticed any trends in this event that you would like to share? I mean, because you are a technology partner.
Yeah.
And have you noticed, I mean, maybe the interests of the steel players? Have you noticed anything related to technology that you want to share with us?
Just another time, AI, artificial intelligence, is the main interest for our customer, because it's the title, is the name of the moment. So at our stand, we had a corner for artificial intelligence with some of our case study, and the artificial intelligence is the main topic for our customer, also in the steel industry.
Excellent, interesting. So I think we're gonna deep dive into these case studies now. Let's deep dive into the tech and AI section, okay? So artificial intelligence, I know that you at CLAREX are launching many initiatives, and one of the latest things I've seen in your LinkedIn page of CLAREX was called Prompt Them All initiative. Can you tell us more about it?
It's a little joke for make more simple the approach to artificial intelligence. We have a lot of initiative, and this is a more amazing initiative to approach our customers to the topics of artificial intelligence.
Okay, so I think it's a good way to simplify AI, right, for the business world, for the non-techies.
Yeah.
Exactly. I like it. Yeah. So if you are here today in this podcast, it's because you were one of the top 5 winners of the AI challenge organized by SAP for partners in EMEA, Europe, Middle East, and Africa. So which means you are one of the top, one of the biggest, and one of the most innovative partners. Congrats for being one of these winners.
Thank you. I like competition, so.
Yeah, CrossFit. Exactly. So first of all, briefly, what was the challenge about?
Okay.
Just to summarize to our audience who hear a lot about SAP challenges and so on. So what was the AI challenge? Okay,
the AI challenge is a competition between partners for in order to make in place the business AI and to deepen the topics about business AI. It was not so simple because the technology is new, but the team was very strong, and the support from SAP expert was very strong. So it was a very good experience because allow us to deepen the business AI, and we had the opportunity to training and practice the business AI in a real case with a real customer.
So it was a learning program, or you produced something?
No,
or
we
both?
produce something. It's a real use case with a real customer for a real situation.
Okay. So, and what was the use case that made you win? Because you are one of the winners, which means that you have one of the best use cases,
It's a little bit hard to clarify because it's a steel sector and it's very specific for this industry. First of all, we speak about furnace and run of the electric furnace in the steel industries. And for the work of the furnace, there are a lot of parameters to set, static parameters to set. We build an AI model that study the composition of the scrap to put in the furnace to optimize this parameter and self-setting the parameters to optimize the consumption of electricity, of oxygen, and so on. This is related to sustainability and reduce the consumption of the work of the company and the furnace.
Great use case. So sustainability on top of artificial intelligence. That's exactly what SAP is trying to make and see our customers doing. So we speak about AI, which is reliable and which is responsible as well, right?
Yeah.
Excellent. So this use case, does it have, what components did you use? From a more technical perspective, from the AI, SAP Business AI portfolio, have you used any SAP AI components and so on? Can you let us know?
Yeah. You use the BTP components and AI core from SAP, and so we are working in SAP at all.
Okay, so you were obliged to use the SAP Business AI technology in the challenge.
Yeah.
Good to know. And so this use case that you told me about for the steel industry, does it have any next steps, or it will just stop after the challenge? Are you planning to implement it, to sell it, to market it, and so on?
The main idea is to follow up this pilot, this use case, and build a large application for this topic, and build a product for this, because we have many customers that are in the sector, in this industry. So we would like to make a product and resell this own product based on SAP technology.
All right, so we might be seeing it in the SAP store maybe very soon, right?
Yeah. It's a dream. It's the goal.
Yeah, you like challenges and competition, why not?
Yes.
So Francesca,
Yeah.
Apart from this AI challenge,
Yeah.
have you developed any products or use cases using artificial intelligence?
We are working in the offices because like accounting offices, sales offices have a lot of manual tasks that we can replace with generative artificial intelligence. For example, with the generating quotation for customers, or looking for a lot of data in different databases, and we can join the knowledge of people and the data in various form, and join and produce something with the agent. We have created a lot of agents for our customer, and of course we are using the functionalities embedded in SAP, like Joule for Sales Cloud, and for the line of business that SAP has included in the products.
Interesting. So I think for you, for CLAREX, AI is a reality now.
Yeah.
For you, for your customers, right? So you said you have created multiple agents for them.
Yeah.
And you are using SAP Joule, so
Yeah.
which is the latest, I would say, baby of SAP in terms of AI and machine learning. Great,
Yes.
great. So, a closing question.
Yeah.
2030.
Ooh.
How do you see CLAREX?
CLAREX will be the reference in Italy for technology and for innovation, with a lot of happy customers and happy employees.
Happy customers, happy employees, so happy people, which is the core of CLAREX.
Yeah.
All right, interesting. Thank you very much for the insights.
Thank you.
It was a real pleasure to have you with us in SAP Chats, and I'm sure that our audience will love it.
Thank you.